Good morning. Aron here sa Southwest. Today I'm going to do a proposal for this. You can even call it a home, call it a estate. Yeah. It's a big. I think yeah, a mansion. Going to do a proposal for pressure washing, from roof to bottom floor. You can see here. This is the outside. You can see those tile right there are yeah, TLC is need cleaning right now. I guess over here they're currently doing a moving out for the old residents, and the one that hiring me here is still going to be hiring me. I'm going to be that the new owner of this state. Yeah, this is the outside right now. And see a stereo here. Some magma and some algae, of course, windows. And here all around, pressure washing all around. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. Yeah, if you buy a home like this, of course it's pretty you know possible to keep up with this cleaning of this residence. So yep, and this is the outside right now. So it's there, and here too. And this is the outside. See all the windows there, and this is the floor. It's all the way right there. I need the cleaning here in this pole deck. And everything there. I'm going to take a picture, so and this is a walkway, and here pull the back, take a picture here again, all that. Yep, I got a big large windows all around, so and so up here all the way through that. See all this black outside here. And all there the wall. All the way through that. And all the walls around here will be a lot of this red clay here. Call it a red clay in this wall. And all through here in this wall, that. Green algae in the color. Oh, here in this wall. And here's the entrance. That's right, guys. So it's gonna be a lot of work. A lot of work. And this residence right here. So, yep, I'm doing it. So, once again, doing a coat for cleaning for this state, this mansion. So, anyway, and you guys, thank you for watching, and looking forward to do this project for the new residence. So, thank you guys. See you guys in update for it. You guys have a great day. Thank you for following my page.